All right. Okay. Good day. So now I will teach you how to install R and the R Studio in your computer. Okay. So just go here to faucet.co.download. Okay. This is the website. Okay. So let's first click this one, and then we will be diverted to Grant R Studio. And since my PC is Windows, okay, I will click download R for Windows. Okay, so there are a lot of options here. Binaries for base distribution. This is what you want to install R for the first time. Okay, so let's click this one. Okay, so and then download R 4.2.2 for Windows. Okay, so now it's downloading. Just have to wait for that. So while waiting for the download of this one, okay, uh, let's start downloading the R Studio. Okay, desktop for Windows. Okay, so it's now downloading also. It's 193 megabytes. Okay, and the R is around 75 megabytes. Okay, it's a good thing I have a strong connection. Yeah, I only have left 1 second. Okay, let's just click this one. Okay, let's wait for the application. Okay, so it will appear like this, and then select English. Next, next. Since my computer is 64-bit, so what I downloaded is 64-bit. Okay, accept defaults. Yeah, defaults, and then next. Okay, desktop shortcut. Um, you have the option to uncheck this one. Okay, now it's now installing. Okay, and while we are installing R, we are also installing downloading the R Studio. Okay, just wait. Okay, it's finished. Okay, so we now have installed R. Perfect time since the R Studio is already downloaded. Just have to click this one. Okay, yes, and then next, next, next. Okay, it's installing. Just have to wait for it. Let's show details. It's extracting the different packages. Okay. Okay, this may take a while. By the way, guys, R and R Studio are open source software, so anyone can download this one and enjoy the statistical analysis it can bring. Okay, so with R, you don't you don't have to pay for the cost of buying this SPSS and other statistical data. Okay, because this is free, you can just download it on the internet. Okay, and Python also is free, but there is also a version of Python wherein you'll be paying for its premium. But R, as experience, it's 100% free. Okay, and you got to analyze your data for free. Okay, okay, it's really finished. Just click finish. And let's look for the shortcut. Where's the R? Let's type here R. Okay, so we have here the R Studio. Okay, click that one. Okay, okay, so this is where we will work. Okay, and I think this is the past data that I have downloaded. Okay, the last time. Okay. It says here R is free. Software comes with absolutely no warranty. You are welcome to distribute under certain conditions. Okay, license or type license or license for distribution details. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and my preceding videos, you can discuss how to work with data using R.